In this video, I'm going to show you how to drop a pin on Google Maps on Android. Open up the Google Maps app on your phone. Long press your finger on the position that you are at in Google Maps. You should now see a little pop-up menu at the bottom and it should say dropped pin. Now there's an option to save this, so I'm going to hit save. You can add it into any of your lists, but I'm going to make a new list and put it as my parked car so I know where my last location was. Just make sure to keep this private so that nobody else can see this information, and then when you're done, hit the create button. So now if I go back into Google Maps and I want to find this pin again, I just need to hit the saved button in the middle of the bottom bar, tap on my parked car list, and then from here I can get directions to this particular pin that I have dropped, and that's basically all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Until next time, peace.